In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma to create an awesome landing page. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool widely used by design professionals to craft striking user experiences. And if you're looking to step up your design skills, creating a landing page in Figma is a great place to start. So let's dive right in and explore the steps you'll need to follow to bring your landing page vision to life. First things first, head over to Figma's website. Once you're there, you'll notice the clean and intuitive interface that's perfect for getting your creative juices flowing. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for those of you who are already registered, simply click on the Login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to the home screen of Figma. Once you're logged in, the next step is to go to the Home section. Here you'll find a variety of your design files and shared projects waiting for you. Scroll through and find a file that you'd like to work on or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Now that you have accessed your workspace, click on the file you intend to work with. This brings up your design space where all the magic happens. Before getting started on the landing page design, it's important to familiarize yourself with the interface, which is split into the canvas area, layers panel, and properties panel. Next, click on Action. This action button will help you initiate multiple design tools and options. Now you might be wondering how to get started with creating a landing page when there are so many ways to approach it. Don't worry, Figma makes it easy by providing various search options. Simply search for landing page right there in Figma, and you'll be presented with numerous templates and inspirations to guide your design. One highly recommended choice is to select Landify from the options that appear. Landify is a collection of pre-designed components specifically crafted for landing pages. It's a great starting point that can save you time and provide professional quality elements you can customize. You just need to click on it and let the possibilities unfold. To bring your design to life, the next step is to click on Run. This action essentially sets your selected Landify components into motion, allowing you to adjust each element's color, typography, and layout, tailoring them to fit the exact needs of your project. There you have it, each step you need to create a captivating landing page using Figma. You'll marvel at how intuitive and streamlined Figma is for design work. So take these lessons to heart and start designing your way to an impressive landing page that wows viewers from the get-go. Happy designing!